Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. And we have two options how to enable or disable it. So we can use the application or we can use gestures. First I will show you the application. So let me open QCY app. And we should go to the sound at the middle top. Right here we have ambient sound control, and to enable transparency mode just tap at the transparency button here. To disable this mode, you should or swap to ANC or to the normal mode. So just give a second to ANC, okay, or normal mode. But as I said, we can also use gestures. So by default, you need to press and hold at your right earbud. The touch area located at the back side, right here at the top. So let's check it, press and hold, and from normal mode I should swap to transparency. And now we use transparency mode. So to disable it, you need to also press and hold. First we will switch to ANC and then press and hold to the normal mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!